Hello guys, this is Market Organized. Today I want to show you guys why the market made new all-time highs. So I'm looking at the S&P 500. This stock made this exchange, it made all-time highs. So it's never reached this point before. It's trading around 2152. So I was actually looking at this stock for for quite a long time. It was trading within a consolidation for several weeks, but finally we found that breakout. So I was actually waiting for this breakout because I anticipated it a long time ago, but I wasn't sure what's going to happen. So I was waiting to see if it's going to happen or not. So now we have a clear indicator and a confirmation that this stock is actually breaking out, and it's very bullish. It's and the odds are to the upside. Like it's going to continue to go higher. But there's something we're gonna have to wait and see because anything can happen in the market. There's no such thing as it's this is gonna happen or that's gonna happen. But from what I'm looking at this point, is the odds there's a higher odds that the market is gonna continue to go higher. So what caused it? Because we know that for 3 weeks ago we had the Brexit, and they voted England voted to leave EU, and and that brought some confusion in the market because pretty much everyone expected for the Remain vote, but when the Leave vote came out, that's when things started to happen because there was some big volatility. But then again, the central banks, and the Federal Reserve, they assured us that they're not going to raise interest rates anytime soon, and they're going to cooperate with the, ease of monetary uh, policies and all that stuff. So that helped it actually the market move up. But last Friday, even more important, we have jobs report came out in the U.S. and we had 280,000 jobs created, so more than expected, and it's a big news for the market because the economy is growing and the Federal Reserve is actually not going to raise interest rate anytime soon. So that was a golden opportunity for the market to make new highs. So that's what's happening. But now I want to show you guys also another interesting fact or indicator that you may want to use that for your trading. I go to marketorganized.com. This is a website that I created. It's just to make things easier and organized. So when I go to advanced and decliners on the second tab there, I see that here we have advanced decliners. So I see that all this is the major exchanges for New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, and so on. I usually look at the new highs and the new lows. So the new highs, there are 261 stocks made new highs today alone. Like this is today, and only five stocks made new lows. And when for the Nasdaq, 179 by 12. So this shows me that the market is very bullish. And if you look at the up volume, it's 78%, and for the down volume, it's 21%. So there's so many buyers than there are sellers. So this is something that I really like to see when the market is going up, and this is a good indicator that the market is very bullish. So now going back to our charts, um, actually before I do that, let me show you guys another indicator that I look at if the market is strong or not. The overall market. This is the all-time highs. So I go into Market Organize and click on the all-time highs, and I see the list here. So these stocks made new highs today. All these stocks. So there's many stocks. So 171 stocks made new highs because usually when the market is weak, you only see like a couple of stocks make new highs, or sometimes this list is empty. But for the fact that we're looking at over 100 stocks making new highs is a strong indicator that uh, the overall market is pretty good. It's pretty strong. So this is I like this market as it's bullish and there's no question about it, and so you can't argue with the market. But if you also look at some stocks, let's say BMD, just for some curiosity, I'm just gonna go to ABMD and type it in. Um, I know it's taking a little longer, but yeah. So this is the stock that made new high today, all time high actually I should say. So it has never traded at $117 a share before. So for the first time in the history of this stock traded at $117. So this is a very bullish indicator for the stock. And so if you go over all the lists from here, the similar pattern is going to be showing. Um, so I would end the video right here, and I hope you guys learned something about trading and how to analyze the overall market. So because the overall market is very important, that you may want to pay attention to the overall market, because if the overall market is bad, because it's going to be hard for you to buy and hold on to a trend and make money. But if the overall market is good, and if many stocks actually break out and make new highs and so on, then it's easier to buy and profit from a rising stock if you know what you're doing. So, but I'm not gonna go into details too much now. Next time I'm gonna bring you guys, show you guys some more analysis and so on. If you guys want me to go through anything, like if you have any strategy that you may want me to take a look at, please leave a comment below. And you guys have a great one.